we're here today on average behalf. He went up to see the Lord today. He went to the big bird in the sky. Yes, he did.
Yes, Lord.
It says in the Bible of somewhere in the birds, in the real Bible, it says, let me see this, son. Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. Is you boo-booing?
Oh, you hear that? They know we doing this.
No, that's something else.
What's that?
Another bird.
What's that?
A turkey or something. See?
He crying?
No, he wait for me to make him call back soon, so he can come over here and fuck us up. But the good morning.
Oh, because he heard us do the bird call.
See, look, the birds is calling for him right now.
Yes, Lord.
Through the heavens, the birds are telling.
Yes, Lord.
Ivory in his glory.